Hi, today we're gonna be opening a Heartful dolls for Happy Heart, and here she is. There were different ones. I like Luna a lot, so I took Luna. She's peaceful, and I love peace. Okay, let's start opening her up. I just love her so much. Now I have no idea where to open it from. This is how I am. I don't know how to do things. Like I immediately do not know how to do things. Yeah. Yes. I think I might need scissors. Yeah, I know I need scissors. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Oh, is there a game inside too?
Yeah. Well, it's not really a game. Okay, yes, it is a game. There's stuff here. Sorry, I just got a little bit distracted on what's on the wheel. Anyways, Dad, can I have a scissors?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's just that I don't know why this is like this. You're very cute. Okay. There were others I'm gonna say out the names. Ivory is cheerful. Sky was colorful. Amara was graceful. Luna, is peaceful. Hope is hopeful, obviously, and Trix is playful. Here, this is how they look. They don't exactly look like this, but still they're very cute. But I just think Luna's so cute. Yes, don't worry about me. Worry about nothing. Actually. Daddy. Can I try?
Oh, yeah.
But there's kid scissors in here too, you know that, right?
Sorry?
There's kid scissors here too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yes.
Wait, I name also this one.
Wait, Daddy, can you let go for a second? Luna's out! Oh no, something's on Luna. Oh no, nothing. For some reason I thought there was something on Luna. She's so cute, right? Whoa. What did I want to... Oh, yes. She has a hoodie. Oh. And her hoodie has a little hole. I don't know what it's for. It's for her hair to go through. Wait. I know.
Meera,
I'm having a hard time.
so these are all the things she had.
Yeah.
1, 2.
There should be 3 things.
A beautiful book.
Oh yeah. That's a journal.
And this.
Look.
Oh, and also this.
Now look. You know this? the bottom, this thing needs to be put here. Then you turn this around, and then just wait a second. And then just press it in, and then boom, you have yourself a wheel. Wait a sec. Whatever the wheel lands on is what you do. Ooh, so I got have a movie night with an indoor picnic.
Ooh.
Now that's cool. And Luna's coming too, and I will take off her hoodie. And she's so cute anyway. If you had a Luna, what would you do with her? Like really, all I'm doing with her is playing with her, making her look. I just want her to be fun. Oh, bracelet. I think this is a perfect necklace. This won't fit on my head. Oh, yes, it will. I'll just put her here for 1 second. Not, I'll let her lie down. She's had a hard day.
This year?
Yes. This journal has like a lot of stuff for some reason. This journal belongs to who is amazing because use this journal for fun ideas and things to do, help you feel good about yourself. I'm going to, okay, so I'll help you be brave or listening on about me. Her name means leader. I'm not talking about Luna. Sorry, Luna. Her name means leader. Her favorite color is bright pink. My favorite crystal is pink tiger's eye. I will always be on your side. Friends are important to me. I believe in you. Let's see. Who's next? Oh, Trixie. Trixie means blessed. Her favorite color is turquoise. My favorite crystal is turquoise. I have a big imagination. I love gaming with my friends. Having fun makes me happy. Luna, I will fill your heart with peace and quiet. I can help you feel calm and cozy whatever kind of day you're having. Aww. Aww. Her name means the moon. I knew it. It's so cute. Okay, let's see. Your favorite color is blue. I like blue. Just my favorite crystal is Calliste. What? I'm quiet inside, and that's I'm quiet inside, and that's okay. My favorite place is my bedroom. Aww. I love being cozy and snug. Cute. I love her. If you're a superhero,
Yeah.
there is a lot of fun stuff to do in here. You can get any of them.
Yeah.
I hope you have a good day. And one thing, if you like Luna, there are other ones you can get that are so cute too. I mostly chose Luna because I like her name and she's so cute. There's Early Sky, Amara, Luna, Hope, and Trixie. Trixie's very tricky, I think. I'm not sure how Trixie is. She's playful. Bye, have a good day, and if you get one, and if you get Luna, tell me. I'll be so happy. Bye.